Welcome to Study Point Online. Here we are discussing some important questions of e-commerce. Our first question is, which of the following refers to creating products tailored to individual customers? Given options are option A customization, option B aggregation, option C direct materials, option D reverse auction. Your correct answer is option A customization. Our next question, materials used in the normal operation of a business but not related to primary business operation are called what? Given options are option A supplies, B direct materials, C indirect materials, D daily staff. Your correct answer is option C indirect materials. Next question. Amazon.com is well known for which e-commerce marketing technique? Given options are option A banner ads, B pop-up ads, C affiliate programs, D viral marketing. The correct answer is option C affiliate program. Our next question, what is the name given to an interactive business providing a centralized market where many buyers and suppliers can come together for e-commerce or commerce related activities? Given options are option A direct marketplace, option B B2B, that is business to business, C B2C, that is business to consumer, and option D electronic marketplace. Here correct answer is option D electronic marketplace. Our next question, which form of e-marketplace bring together buyers and sellers from multiple industries, often for MRO materials? Here given options are option A horizontal, B vertical, C integrated, D inclined. Here correct answer is option A horizontal. Our next question, which form of e-marketplace brings together buyers and sellers from the same industry? Given options are option A horizontal, B vertical, C integrated, D inclined. The correct answer is option B vertical. Our next question, which type of ad appears on web page? Given options are option A pop under ad, B pop up ad, C banner ad, D discount ad. Your correct answer is option C banner ad. Next question, what type of ad appears on top of a web page? Given options are option A pop under ad, B pop up ad, C banner ad, D discount ad. Your correct answer is option B pop up ad. Next question, what type of ad appears under a web page? Given options are option A pop under ad, option B pop up ad, option C banner ad, option D discount ad. Your correct answer is option A pop under ad. Next question, which if any of the following types of ads are people most willing to tolerate? Here given options are option A pop under ad, option B pop up ad, option C banner ad, option D none of the above. Your correct answer is option D none of the above. Thank you.